We've all sat through that presentation, the one with slides packed with tiny text, a dozen bullet points, and a speaker who seems to be narrating a spreadsheet. We get lost, we get bored, but the solution isn't more complexity. In fact, the most powerful rules for presenting are the ones taught in a Year 3 classroom. The lesson starts with a simple premise: a picture is worth 1,000 words. The goal of a visual aid isn't just to decorate your talk, but to help your audience see what you're talking about. The tools are refreshingly straightforward: a poster with a big, clear drawing, a real object like a well-worn baseball if you're talking about your favorite sport, or simple digital slides with photos, not paragraphs. But two rules are paramount. First, everyone must see it. If you've made a poster, the text must be big and the colors bright. If your object is small, you have to walk it around the room so everyone gets a look. The second rule is more profound. Don't hide behind your aid. It's there to help you, not replace you. It's a partner, not a shield. You only show it when you're talking about that specific point, and you never let it block your face. To drive this home, students get a simple challenge. Imagine you're giving a talk about your favorite food. Draw one single central image that shows people why it's so delicious. Not a recipe, not a list of ingredients, just a picture, a steaming bowl of noodles maybe. It's a lesson in focus. In a world of data-heavy keynotes, perhaps the best advice is to keep it simple, make sure everyone can see, and remember that your job isn't to show everything, but to help your audience understand one important thing clearly.